In this video, I will explain you how to professionally install a sprinkler head using a funny pipe and a saddle. First, we remove the sod and trench from the main line to the sprinkler location. Then we expose the main line and prepare the connection point. We measure the sprinkler height so the head sits perfectly at the final grade. The saddle is clamped tightly onto the main line until fully secure. If it isn't tightened properly, it can leak. Funny pipe is cut to length and connected from the saddle to the sprinkler head. We backfill the trench. And finally, we compact around the sprinkler head itself, so it stays level and doesn't shift over time. And tamp the sod thoroughly to restore the surface properly. Finished install clean, secure, and built to last.